In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. First things first, you want to open up your VS Code application, and from here, let's navigate through the extension. You can navigate it by clicking on this specific icon or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X on your keyboard. It will then take you to this page on which you have to search for OpenAI. Select Codex, OpenAI's coding agent. Basically, this is from the official openai.com. Right here, you want to click on install, and then it will install automatically into your Visual Studio Code. Wait for it to finish, and basically we will have it right here. You want to click on Codex and then click on the sign in with ChatGPT. Basically, just click on the continue button, and you will now begin the process of linking your account into Codex. So we may now close this page, click on the VS Studio Code once more, and from there we basically have successfully connected ChatGPT or OpenAI with VS Code right here. So we can ask Codex to simply do anything. I'll just click on the next button because we are in the tutorial section of Codex right here. But before we do that, you can just click on File, click on Add Folder to Workspace, and then you want to create your new folder. And then we can now edit out or write anything to Codex. Basically from there, it will then prompt you with the results right here. And right after, it will then prompt you with the search result or the answers right here. Now, of course, you need the upgraded plan of ChatGPT to simply use the Codex AI, but that's how you use the OpenAI Codex in VS Code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.